Want to know how to make money online with Skool? Well, you're in the right place. This platform might just be what you need to level up your online business, whether you're building a course, coaching, or membership site. Stick around, because at the end, I'll be sharing an exclusive free trial offer that'll help you get started today. Plus, I'll reveal some alternatives that might just be better for your specific goals. Let's dive right in. First off, Skool is an online community platform that's designed to help creators monetize their expertise. It's built with simplicity and engagement in mind, offering a smooth setup for creators who want to offer courses, hold live sessions, or build a community without getting bogged down by tech. You can easily create a space where your followers or students can interact, ask questions, and learn, making it perfect for making money online. Next thing, Skool allows you to integrate your content and community into one place. Unlike other platforms where you have to juggle multiple tools, with Skool, you get everything in one neat package. It's not just a place for courses, it's a community hub where your audience can connect with you and each other. That means more engagement and more opportunities to monetize your content. Now, let's talk about monetization. Skool makes it simple for you to charge for your courses, memberships, and coaching. You can set up paid groups or private communities, and even create courses that people can pay to access. And if you're looking to make money on a recurring basis, Skool has a built-in subscription feature that helps you turn your audience into paying members month after month. It's all about making passive income while you focus on content creation. Fourth thing, Skool does well in keeping things simple, but that can be both a blessing and a curse. While other platforms like Teachable or Kajabi offer more advanced features, Skool's simplicity can sometimes feel limiting. For example, it doesn't have as many customization options as some might like. If you're looking for advanced email marketing automation, you might find the basic options a little lacking. But if you're just getting started and need an easy-to-use solution, Skool might be the perfect fit. Moving on, one of the standout features of Skool is its social aspect. The way it integrates discussions and groups into your content is something that makes it feel a lot more like a community than just a course platform. It's easier for users to engage and interact, making your content more sticky. However, with this, it can also feel a bit like a social media platform, which may not be everyone's cup of tea, especially if you're looking for a more traditional course-based experience. The sixth thing to consider is Skool's pricing model. While it's relatively affordable compared to some of the bigger platforms, it can still add up, especially if you're scaling up. So, if you're just starting, you might want to keep your costs low and test the platform out before committing long term. But here's the good news. I've got an exclusive deal for you that gives you a free trial to try out Skool and see if it fits your needs. Finally, let's wrap it up with some alternatives. While Skool is fantastic for creating a community-driven experience, there are other platforms like Thinkific, Kajabi, and Mighty Networks that offer more robust features for course creators, coaches, and influencers looking to monetize their knowledge. Kajabi, for example, comes with a whole suite of marketing tools, but it's a little more complex. Mighty Networks lets you build a community-focused experience too, but with more customization options. But here's the catch: Skool might just be the easiest platform to jump into if you want simplicity with a social element. And I've partnered with Skool to offer you an exclusive, extended free trial, so you can test it out and see if it's the right fit for your goals. Plus, I've got links to other platforms that also have free trials, so you can compare them side by side and find the one that works best for you. Click the link in the description to get your exclusive free trial to Skool, along with some great alternatives. It's a no-commitment, risk-free way to start making money online and building the online business you've always wanted.